Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Excuse me. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 7th. Before I get into the forecast, I want to talk about what's going on down south. Here's the latest radar. Let me see if I can get the radar. Precipitation occurring down across this area. Right now, this is the heaviest precipitation occurring there. And we can zoom in to where that precipitation is occurring. You can see it right here. This is the heaviest. This will spread eastward, and this will bring there'll be a brief lull, but overall there'll be heavy precipitation again occurring. And then we're going to look at a few models. This is called the CAPS. This is the precipitable water. This is the light brown, you can see, is like 1 to 2 inches, and then the lighter blue goes up to 4 inches precipitable water. And then we'll look at another map. This is the forecast radar, and you can see this is where the heaviest rain is occurring right now, and this will progress into the region. And we will have this one system go on to the current stuff that's going on. We have a current system down here across the south. You can see here there'll be more heavy rain moving inland. This will be snow occurring up into Nebraska. Oh, not Nebraska, Kansas. And then it'll progress eastward, and this will bring snow to parts of the Carolina, lower mid-Atlantic. Still heavy rain occurring down here, and this is areas that don't need the rain. And this might bring about 1 to 2 inches of snow across this region here. And that's the GFS. We look at the European and the Canadian. They're all fairly similar. The heaviest precipitation, most of it is remaining offshore. There might be a few heavier pockets along the coast. Okay, we're going to get on now to the forecast. This is for the period February 22nd to the 26th. And what we're seeing now is below normal heights forecasts across Alaska and Greenland, pretty much across the Arctic too. And a ridge forecast over the Northeast Pacific with near to above normal heights across the country. You see here, we go to the end of the period, most of the models in good agreement. And then we'll have a southern stream system. We got to go back to this map. A southern stream system will progress from Southern California to Southern Plains through Sunday. See it right here. Whoops. Can never get this thing right here. Bring snow to the region, Four Corners, and this will bring amount of precipitation for the southern Four Corners, for the northern Four Corners, Central Rockies, Saturday into Sunday, and we're at Sunday, and this will include heavy mountain snow, and then the precipitation will spread into the Mississippi, Tennessee Valley, Southern Appalachian Sunday night through Monday. Here's the system right here, and the system will in the northern stream will track across the Midwest Sunday through the Great Basin. This northern stream system here, and this will regress into east central states by the midweek period with moderate precipitation occurring across the east. Now here is very heavy snow occurring here. And then it lives northeast for the same storm track we've been always having through the winter. And you can see what I'm talking about. Heavy snow. And then that's the GFS, the European, and the Canadian. So these two, the European and the GFS, picks up the system well, where the Canadian doesn't. Okay, now for the period for February 27th to March 2nd. Right, this is for February 27th to the 2nd, and we have a ridge over the East Pacific with a trough in the east, and below normal heights remain across Alaska and Greenland. Most of the models are indicating this. Look what the European has. The ensembles below normal heights across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees below normal. That's a wide range because some of the models are trying to compensate for the European, where it shows those anomalies much higher. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now for March 3rd to the 7th. Ridge remains over the East Pacific with below normal heights across much of North America. You can see it here. Then we look at the other models. This is European, that has it. Little area of above normal heights, but all in all, showing the same general pattern. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the southeast and lower mid-Atlantic. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 7th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.